A human life is approximately 70 years, which is 25,550 days. This means that the day that has passed is gone forever, you can never get it back. Steve Jobs said, "Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose." Well, let me simplify it for you. 25,550 days. That's all we get. There are no second chances, no going back. Life is short, brutally short, but the most important thing is how I should cope with it. But let's clarify something. Life is not a race. There's no need to be knowledgeable in everything. Life, as I said before, is very harsh with us. And this doesn't mean we should be harsh with ourselves. Take your time, wait. Don't watch tons of videos that market the idea of you being an athlete and mastering all sports. Walking or jogging is fine, don't overcomplicate things. The secret lies in balance. Don't overload yourself, but don't neglect yourself completely either. Look for your passion, try new things, but don't make them an extra burden on your life. Enjoy your small moments, a morning cup of coffee, a refreshing breeze, a heartfelt laugh with someone you love. These are the moments that truly shape your life. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own journey and their own timing. Focus on yourself, on your personal growth, on becoming a better version of yourself day by day. Remember, life is not about how much we accumulate, but how we live what we have.